Hello, everyone. It's the 10th of Feb, and we have the market open. So I'm on ES, the 5 minutes time frame. We have market open right now, 9:30. What I'm going to do now is going to wait 30 to 40 minutes so I can get the first part of my model, which is the two-step model. So the first part is getting direction. I'm going to do that by waiting 30 to 40 minutes using the 5 minute time frame. So what I'm going to do is see you around either 10 o'clock or 10:15 ish. All right. See you then. All right. It's 10 o'clock. A little choppy. So I'm going to wait another 15 to 30 minutes. So we have this down move, up move. Yes, I'm aware of the SMT divergence, but I don't have enough candles here to do much with. So I'm just gonna wait, give it some time, and I'll see if we want to form a swing high here. We have a swing low here. We have this 5 minute fair value gap. It's quite large. Okay, so let's just wait and see if it wants to form a swing high. So we're still on the first part of the model, which is find the direction. At the moment, we have this down move and then this up move. So it's unclear what it wants to do, if it wants to make another down move or rest in this fair value gap. All right, let's see if we make a swing high, and then we'll make an assessment based on that. All right, see you soon. All right, it's 10:15. We formed this swing high right here. This is the 5 minutes swing low. This is the only fair value gap. However, just because of the nature of the way we've swung, it's quite choppy. We've hit this previous day high. I'm actually going to allow this to go a little deeper. So step three. So actually, first let's measure. Let's measure this range first. Yeah, that's good enough. That's more than 20. All right, so I'll start to track this on a 1 minute, but I'll prefer this to actually tap into the low of this bar, even if it's just a wick. But I'll have a look at the 1 minute. The next part is just to see if we have an overlap with a fib. All right, so let's do that. Let's use a basic fib for now. All right, so we've got that 50 there, we've got the 70 there. My preference is for this to come into the 70 just because we've already hit that previous day high. There isn't really much above us unless uh, we want to go there, but we've kind of hit that, that traffic, which can prevent prices from going higher. So yeah, no, I would rather. So this is where experience kind of comes in. So the model, we've got direction. We want our retracement back into the fair value gap. We want overlap. And of course, what we're looking for here is a classic rejection. So if we go to the 1 minute, all right, let's have a look. And we want a rejection here. So a nice clean rejection. Because that fair value gap is quite large, I am not going to take any risk here. I'm going to look for a nice classic rejection, preferably closer to the low, 75% of that fair value gap. So just at 75% or slightly below. I would prefer that. Or in fact, or even come all the way down into this candle right here, tap it, and then give me the measured move. Okay, again, that's because there's traffic above us, and I would want a deeper move just in case that move fails. So we'll have a look. Maybe this is one we sit out, but I'm just gonna wait I want this to have a deeper retracement. We've got uh, the consolidation here. We're breaking out of it, but I rather have a classic. This is one of those where we've got a market structure shift here, up, down, breaking here. Let's see if we. I would prefer a deeper retracement to be honest, but let's draw a line on that one there. Okay, well, if we come back into it and do a nice little rejection, I don't know. We are so deep. We are so close to. It's not a lot of movement to be honest. Now, so I'm gonna wait for a deeper retracement. I want a deeper retracement, and if I get a deeper one, maybe I'll take it. If I don't, then I'm going to just leave this one alone. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, it's 10:30 a.m. Right, so I've got my 1 minute still on the right hand side. Okay, so my decision today really is we have a lot of chop right here. I would prefer a deeper retracement, and I'll show you why. If I take this back to a single screen and squash up the page, we've got traffic above us. So I always ask myself one question, which is there anything above us, if I'm bullish, that can prevent prices from going higher? And then if I'm bearish, is there anything below us that can prevent prices from going lower? And for me, this is just too much traffic. I would rather wait till price gets above it um, confidently and then take a trade above it rather than try and take a trade here. So that's why I said that I prefer a deeper retracement with this. So for me, the conditions are not right in terms of the retracement. This retracement is too quick. So this is the 5 minutes. It's just one single candle that just runs deep and then closes in the middle. It's it's too quick for me. So I kind of need I need this to be a little deeper. Then maybe I would have taken a measured move. Price may run. It may try and run through that traffic, or it may just reverse at the traffic. But I've just decided now I'm not going to trade this AM session. So it's a little bit too choppy for me. And when it gets choppy like this, I'm not so comfortable. So we have, you can see it's quite flat. The pre-market, then we've got this above it, we've got that above it. Um, and of course we've got all-time high. So yeah, let's just either get above it um, or I make a much deeper retracement. We are running out of time right now. Uh, Usually I want to be out of this trade before noon. So it doesn't look like it's going to happen today. All right, guys. So no trade for me today. I guess it's a short video. So still the same model I'm using, still the same 3 steps that I'm using. So it's called a 2-step model, but there are 3 steps in the model, which just means find a direction, clear direction, find the retracement, which is into a fair value gap, find the overlap, which is basically a confluence of step 2. In terms of the retracement, I don't have much of a retracement. I have a quick, rapid move, and I prefer my retracements to be a retracement, right? Nice, steady, slow, even choppy, but at least it's slowish into that fair value gap rather than a rapid move. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video.